so I decided to get hair transplant. A bit nervous, but I'm quite excited. So I completed my hair transplant and I was really satisfied with my new hairline. So it was really painless procedure. I feel really confident now. Hi everyone, my name is Pritesh. I'm from Vadodara. I live in Canada from last 2 years. I decided to get a hair transplant. Initially when I went to Canada, I consulted dermatologist because of my hair loss, and she suggested me to use minoxidil. For quite a while I used minoxidil. I guess it's for a year. I started getting some medication. I was getting some results, getting my hair back, but after a while, after 1 year, when I stopped using minoxidil, my hair loss was getting extreme. And then I started getting extreme hair loss just because of the weather and water condition in Canada. Everyone knows that water condition in Canada is too harsh. Everyone faces hair loss. I needed some permanent solution. I got some consultation from Turkish doctors, India's doctor and Canada's doctor as well. But just because it was convenient for me, because I was visiting my family in India, so I decided to get hair transplant from Ahmedabad branch. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm quite excited for my new hairline. This is going to be my permanent solution. This is going to make me feel more confident in future. So I'm excited for that. So I have completed my hair transplant. It took us 1.5 days to complete it. First day when I came here, that was yesterday. I came here around 10 in the morning. Doctor and team explained me the procedure very well. What we're gonna do in the procedure, they explained me. After that, they gave me some medications and injections. After that, my hairline, my new hairline, they did some split, and I was really satisfied with my new hairline. Planted that extracted grafts into my new hairline. After that, took break. I had a lunch. They brought me good lunch here. In between, when I needed a break, they gave me a break. The staff was really good. They were helping me out with any question I had. In between the procedure, we were talking, so it was quite easy for me as well. And they gave me local anesthesia, so it was really painless procedure. Next day, this is the same day, I came here around 10 in the morning. Today is the day I implanted grafts in my crown area. I feel really confident now. This is really relaxing. One of you wants to do hair transplant, I would really recommend you to go with Hairfree Hairgrow. Thank you.